Properties of vector addition. Commutative property. For any two vectors, vector A and vector B, vector A plus vector B is equal to vector B plus vector A. Consider a parallelogram ABCD with A vector and B vector as its adjacent sides. Then, from triangle law of addition, we get vector AC as A vector plus B vector. Now, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So, we get vector AD is equal to vector BC. Therefore, AD vector as B. Similarly, DC vector is equal to A vector. Applying triangle law of addition of vectors for triangle ADC, we get AC vector is equal to vector B plus vector A. Therefore, vector A plus vector B is equal to vector B plus vector A. Associative property. For any three vectors, vector A, vector B and vector C, we get A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Let the given vectors A, B and C are represented by PQ vector, QR vector and RS vectors respectively as shown. Applying triangle law of vector addition for the triangle PQR, we get vector PQ plus vector QR is equal to vector PR. That is, PR vector is equal to A vector plus B vector. Now, considering triangle PRS and applying vector law of addition, we get vector PR plus vector RS is equal to vector PS. Therefore, PS vector is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Now, considering a triangle QRS, we get QS vector as B vector plus C vector. Again, from triangle PQS, we get PS vector as vector PQ plus vector QS. That is, PS vector as A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Therefore, we get A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Additive identity for the vector addition. For any vector A, we have A vector plus 0 vector is equal to 0 vector plus A vector is equal to A vector. Therefore, the 0 vector is called the additive identity for the vector addition.